Hi guys, today we meet with Georgie in a cafe, also with my friends, but my friends now outside cafe. And most of subscribers asking why Georgie don't have girlfriend now. Why? He long time already from October and he always alone. No, he not alone of course, he meet with girls and walking street and everywhere, but he don't have girlfriend. That's why I want to ask Georgie. Why? Maybe he will explain to us.
Okay. The first 2 months I was here only, I take girls only for short time, but later I tired of this and I started to find a girl for long relationship, yes. I try to find in internet, I use Pinalove, Tinder, what else, Facebook dating, but most girls from these sites are for short time only also. They offer to meet and they ask how much you pay me. So it's difficult to find a girl from here. From other provinces, from other islands, girls texting, send me message and want to meet, but it's very difficult. It's very far. But in this area, in Anglia City, most girls looking for earn money. So I think it's better to find girl maybe in the SM, maybe in the street outside of
Terminal,
street. Yes.
bus terminal, jeepney terminal.
Yes, but it's not easy. It's not easy because they shy. And yesterday with our friend Nicholas, we was in the near SM, near 7-Eleven.
It's a jeepney terminal.
Yes,
main
jeepney
gate.
terminal, main gate. Yes. He bought coffee in 7-Eleven and sit near 7-Eleven. There is a tables, chairs. He sit there, drink coffee and talk with girls who also sitting there, wait for jeepney, for example. And he talk with them, but after I go to him, they shy, they go.
We don't want already talk.
Yes,
because shy.
probably it's the reason they go is because I walk to the table to Nicholas and they shy.
So need only alone. So not need
Yes.
together. Only alone.
Yes, and only alone they also shy. But they, as explained Nicholas, they were interested. One girl tell she has a boyfriend already, another girl no. But when many people looking, her friends, for example, her co-workers, she shy. So it's not easy. But it's the way I can find a girl actually. It's the way.
So need every day go to the
Yes.
SM, go to jeepney main gate terminal, and take a look. Maybe have some girl. If you like girl, you just. I think better prepare name card with your phone number because some of girls shy even talk with you outside. You can text to her. And if you text it, maybe next day you can meet and eat in restaurant. I think better in first meet go to eat in restaurant. Just only invite girl to the restaurant and most of girls agree. We can go to eat, and you can talk already, and you know girl, you know about girl, where she work, from which province or which place in Mabalacat or Angeles she live.
Yes. So the girls with whom I meet, most of them was for short time only. One girl was for good relationship, good girl. She tell me after we meet, she go to church and she send me pictures in the church with her cousin. But this girl is not in my test, so I text her. So better break up now because not good.
It's not your type only girl.
No, yes, not my type.
So next time, if you want to meet with girl, you need to choose your type girl, and you
Yes.
not to already not continue with girl if you don't like girl. I think it's good. What about before you say you meet with one girl and she have 3 accounts and
Yes.
you please explain because it's interesting also.
Yes, I met with girl in Astra Park. We just walk in Astra Park, and she tell me she live in Parak and she work in 7-Eleven or something like this, small mart. And when we meet first time, she asked me when I go home, when I going home. So I decided that she want to go with me. But after she go home, next day I found a new profile in Pinalab, another her profile in Pinalab.
So second profile.
Yes, her second profile. I asked, I did not know it's her profile. I sent her a message. I have WhatsApp. This is my number. What is your number? She answered me. She gave me her number, and this number is the same number as she gave me first time from other profile. So I found second profile of her, and maybe 5 days later I found another one profile of her.
3 already.
Yes, same photos and the same number in profile, WhatsApp number. So I think I decided she is looking for short time because many profiles. She give number in profile and different cities. In one profile was Mabalacat, as other profile Porak, and another profile Balibago.
So 3 cities.
Yes.
Angeles, Mabalacat and Porak.
Yes, different names.
Also different names.
Different names, yes.
But same picture? Or
Picture was same in 2 profiles, and another profile different pictures, but the same phone number she gave me.
Did you meet with her again?
Yes, I met with her again because I was confused what happened, and I explained her what's the reason we met. She told me she from Parak. She showed me
ID.
Showed me ID. Yes. She was angry. I blame her for this, but I explained. I don't know what to think. Why you do this? Why you have 3 profiles? Are you looking for short time? What? I think I don't know what to think. So she explained don't offer short time. Don't ask. She don't ask money. She don't offer to go with me in my room. And she asked me when I go home because she want to go home already. and she shy to tell me. She asked me when I going home, because it was too late for her, and she want to go home already. But she did not tell me it directly. So, but this girl, yes, I like her, but she's sad. So, how to explain? She emotionally difficult to talk with her, because I think she has many problems.
In your family?
I don't know what, but no, not funny girl. It's very sad.
So girl very sad, and you cannot, I don't know how to.
It's not good.
Girl, a serious girl and very sad, like this.
Yes.
So you meet with only one girl, or many girls already you can find?
No, I meet with many girls, but only two girls was good for relationship, but don't like.
Only you don't
Other
like.
girls ask for money, ask to meet for short time, ask how much I pay if we meet.
And for jeepney you said before, or bus?
Yes, one girl offered me to meet and ask can I pay for trike. She lives in Magalan, and it costs 200 peso for trike.
Yes, it's really from Magalang, it's need for trike about 200 pesos.
Yes, she offered 2,000 for 3 hours.
She already say to you about 3 hours for short time.
She asked 2,000 for 3 hours, yes, but I explained I don't see you yet. I don't know. Maybe I don't want 3 hours. So I cannot promise more than 1,000. Yes, and he arrived the next day. He arrived next day. Yes, I pay for trike 200, and she was very fat, very heavy, not my type.
Okay.
So only for short time.
But for short time it's fat or skinny, it's okay for you?
Better to meet with girls first, because she can. Okay, another girl. She showed her pictures in Pinalab and age 19 years old. But when I meet with her, also I pay 150 for taxi. She was older. She was 23 already, and not so young like in pictures. So better to meet first and look at the girl.
Yeah.
Because sometimes they lower her age and show good pictures, good photos.
Also, maybe it's not female. Maybe.
Oh yes, sometimes it was. I ask, are you lady boy? I always ask, are you lady boy? Because sometimes they answer, yes, I'm lady boy. So I don't meet with lady boys, sorry. So most of girls was for short time only. And if girl ask what we will do when we meet, I sure it's short time girl.
Mm-hmm. If she asking about what we can do,
yes, what we will do if we meet.
If you say we can go to eat, and we say and after eat what we can do.
Decent girl, I don't ask anything of this. She only meet for to see me and I see her. It doesn't matter what we do. Only look each other.
Georgie, thank you very much for interview. I hope some of our subscribers asking you again in comments maybe someone interesting another moments about your life in the Philippines and about how you find girls, and maybe you can explain more information. Shaira, smile.
Yes, and I think it was easy to find girl in October, November, but now much more customers, and it should be easy in March and April, and maybe later, because customers go to their countries. So now all girls trying to
make more money now.
Yes.
Because it's time for
yes.
How to say, Shaira, what now? Good season. No, good season. I already say good season. To find what? Okay, Shaira. Okay. Now hot season for people who come to the Philippines for find girls. Oh, our friend also.
Yes, and I remember
Arabian restaurant. Okay, to now.
Yes, and I think one thing I remember, I chatting with girl in October.
Good, good, nice.
Happy Valentine's Day. Я не знаю, как сделать по-английски. Вообще, там нет любовь. Здесь любовь, а?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I remember one thing. In November, I texting with one girl, and she was not so active and did not meet with her. But now in January, I discovered her picture in WhatsApp. Is changed. Her picture with boyfriend already, with foreigner.
So
she find a foreigner already.
She find foreigner and now in profile already picture with foreigner.
Yes, but
So fast.
If I was more
If your communication with her before, maybe picture you can with you.
Yes, if I was more active with her, maybe.
But you're so busy before, you find girls for a short time.
Yes.
That's why, Georgie, you know. Okay, Georgie, thank you for interview.
Yes.
Maybe some subscribers want to ask again. Please comments.